Good, good. A little bit more, a little bit more. And it's going 3, 2. Yes. So the muscle is all from the outside compensating for the tightness. Right there, right? This foot stops here. This one comes here. So it's about a good 2-3 centimeter difference there. So out. Good. Get straight in there. Can you feel that there? Yes. Bring it back. It will become easier. Now going again, please. This time was easier? Yeah. Loose. Feel that one? So I'm gonna recheck now, okay? You can feel that, right?
Very painful.
Yeah, good, good. A little bit more, a little bit more. And it's going 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
Good. Good. Relax, relax. Yeah, how many times a week?
5 days. 5.
Yeah, minimum. Otherwise every day. Pleasure to meet you.
How's the feet?